Alright guys, you're welcome once again to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do zero targeting on your Facebook ad. Alright, by the way, my name is Amadin Etusa, and if this is your first time of coming to my channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will always be getting notification whenever new videos are posted. Alright, so without wasting much time, I'll be showing you how to do zero targeting, on your Facebook ad. Alright, most of the time, some persons do get confused when you hear zero targeting, zero targeting, zero targeting. You are confused about it, but today I'll be showing you how to do zero targeting on your Facebook ad. And the reason why zero targeting is necessary when you are trying to run a new campaign. Okay, so without wasting time, let's dive in. Now, once you come to create from your Facebook ad here, click on it. Then, irrespective of the campaign you are running, you need to set up your zero targeting. So I will just pick anyone and move ahead with it. So just let's say, for example, I'm running an awareness campaign. I come over to this place, or I say engagement, any of them. So I click on continue. Then I select manual engagement campaign, okay, and I click on continue. All right, good. So like I always say, this is not where the job is. All right, so once you come over to this place, if you want to change the name, you can change the name. Okay, I can just say zero targeting zero targeting test. Okay, I can say zero targeting test. All right, so I want to do that. Just leave every other thing. Then you come to next. Okay, leave every other thing. Come to next. Now you can see where it says it's asking me to link my WhatsApp. All right, but then I'm not running the advert to WhatsApp. I can say I'm not running the advert to message. Okay, I can run my advert to interact, or I can run my advert to calls so that people can start calling me. I can just select calls. Can you see that now? I can select calls. I can select websites. All right, I can select app, and I can select Facebook page. All right, these are the different engagement campaign you can run. When we talk of engagement, meaning that people should engage with whatever thing you are doing, should chat you up, should call you, should interact with your website, should watch your video, should like your page or like your post. Either of these are different various engagement you can do. All right, so I'll come over to this place now. All right, so I've selected with my advert where I want to drive my engagement. I say to call that. You see what it says? They say get people to call your business. That is for that particular aspect. So once I do that and I come over to this place here, so I'll put the amount of money I want to be spending per day. All right, you can see it here, the amount of money I want to spend per day. I can do that here. All right, so let's say I want to spend 2,000. Okay, 2,000. I will just fix that there. Then leave this part. Then you come to this part. All right, so you come to just go down here. You see switch to original audience option. So I'll click on that. I click on use original audience. Okay, so once you do that, you can see the settings has changed. So now this is where you do the zero targeting. Now, most of the time when you hear zero targeting, people are always confused about it. The meaning of zero targeting is that zero targeting simply means you are not targeting anyone. You just want your advert to run as you like. All right. So if I'm doing that now, I can set my location. Right. You come to this place, set your location. All right. You click on that. So whichever location you want your advert to run to. Let's say I want my advert to run in Nigeria. You can leave it in Nigeria. If you want your advert to run in Ghana or anywhere, you can select one location or more than one location. You can see that there. Then you come to the age, right? You just select the age. You come to this part here. You see where it says age. I want my advert to target people that are between the age of 25 to 45, or 45 to 35, or 45 to 60, or 45 and above. All right. So I want my advert to target those people. I can come here. I say edit. I say my advert should run from 25, say 25, all right, then and on like that. Then the kind of product you are selling, is it that require both male and female, or just female only, or just male only, or both genders? If you require just both genders, just leave it like that, all gender. Then when we talk, when you're not supposed to do your zero targeting, this part here, you can see where it says detailed targeting. In this aspect, you leave it like that. You leave this place like that. You don't touch anything. All right. Then also on the aspect of placement, you don't also touch anything. All right. You just allow the advert to run the way it like on different platform. All right. Because now let me show you something. If I come to manual placement, you will see the various platform there. You can see the Facebook, Instagram, and the rest of them. All right. You can see that. But on the aspect of automatic placement, the advert will be circulated by Facebook or Instagram. Okay, so you are not targeting anybody. You're not targeting whether the person is rich, or whether the person is working or not working, whether the person is a graduate or not. You just want the advert to run to anybody. That's what I mean by zero targeting. You are not targeting anybody. You just want the advert to run the way it like. All right, so that at the end of the day, you can be able to check the one that is giving you result, whether it's the delay targeting or the zero targeting. And by the way, I've done a video on how to go about detailed targeting, so you can check that up on my channel. All right, so this aspect in your zero targeting, this place you are seeing where it says detailed targeting, where you can target people by their demographic, by their interest or their behavior, you leave it as blank as anything. All right, you leave it as blank as anything. You are not targeting anybody in this aspect. Okay, so once you set up your age, set up your location, you leave this aspect, then leave this aspect too. Then you can now move ahead and set up your ad creative. Let me go over to this place. Okay, then you come to this place here. You can see always select a single image or video, then put your primary text. Your primary text talks about what the people will see, all right, what the people will be able to read. Okay, then you do that, then you put your headline. Then since I'm running this advert to call, I'll put my phone number. All right, I'll put my phone number here. I put my country code. You can see that's what it's saying there. Require call option to, I said call to action phone feed must be valid telephone number. All right, so you put a valid phone number here so that people can start calling you when the advert starts running. All right, so that is how to go about zero targeting. Then you select your media. You write whatever primary text you want to do on that. All right, so that is how you go about your zero targeting. Zero targeting, like I said before, means that you are not targeting anybody. You want your advert to run the way it like. Okay, thank you guys for staying to the end. Hope you enjoyed this particular video, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed. So if you have any challenge and if this video helped you, kindly drop a comment for me and I will be glad to answer if you have any challenge. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.